Hello, fellow questers. Welcome to the land of pharaohs, where towering giants stand as a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. In this video, we'll delve deep into the mysteries of the Great Pyramids of Giza, revealing fascinating facts and secrets that have captivated the world for centuries. Built more than 4,500 years ago during the 4th dynasty of the Old Kingdom of Egypt, the Great Pyramids of Giza are among the most iconic and enigmatic structures in the world. These colossal monuments have fascinated scholars, adventurers, and tourists alike. The sheer scale of these pyramids is mind-boggling. The largest, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, originally stood at 146.6 meters, 481 feet, and was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Even by today's standards, their precision and size are awe-inspiring. But how were they built? The exact methods remain a subject of debate among archaeologists. Some suggest massive ramps were used to haul the massive stones into position, while others propose the use of counterweights, ingenious engineering, and a highly skilled workforce. One of the most astonishing facts about the pyramids is their alignment with celestial bodies. The Great Pyramid sides are aligned almost perfectly with the cardinal points of the compass, a feat of precision that has baffled astronomers and engineers. Furthermore, some believe that the three pyramids were constructed to mirror the alignment of the stars in Orion's belt, leading to theories about their connection with the afterlife and the resurrection of the pharaohs. Inside the pyramids, hidden chambers and passageways unveil even more mysteries. The Great Pyramid contains the King's Chamber and the Queen's Chamber, while below them lies a complex network of tunnels and chambers, such as the subterranean chamber. In these chambers, hieroglyphs and intricate artwork adorn the walls, shedding light on the religious beliefs, rituals, and daily life of the ancient Egyptians. The Great Pyramid was originally covered in smooth white Tura limestone casing stones that reflected the sun's rays, making it shine brilliantly. These casing stones, however, have largely disappeared over time. The mystery lies in how these massive stones were removed and where they might be today. Some speculate they were taken to build other structures, while others believe they are still hidden beneath the sands of Egypt. The Great Pyramids of Giza remain an eternal riddle, standing as a testament to the ingenuity, ambition, and enduring mysteries of the ancient world. As we continue to uncover their secrets, one thing is clear: these awe-inspiring structures will forever capture our imagination and connect us to a time long past. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Great Pyramids of Giza.